All right, y'all, so I'm back with another video, man. We are on the GoPro Hero 11 Black. We're shooting 4K 60. This is a normal color profile, just the standard color profile that it comes in and all of that good stuff, man. But honestly, I've been trying to dial these settings in for a minute. So just work with me, because I'm still working on trying to figure out the settings, figure out this 10-bit and all that stuff, man, so that I can make the GoPro look, really, really good, man. But right now I'm still trying to tweak my settings. So if it don't come across looking right now, just give me some time. I'm still trying to fix it, but that's besides the point. All right, so y'all know when I get a camera, I get any type of gear, I'm always trying to max it out to make sure that I can take full advantage of what the actual camera has to offer. And in this case, I've been rocking the GoPro for a couple of weeks, well, maybe about a week and a half or 2 weeks now. Testing it out, playing around with it, and I've been listening to the audio quality out of the GoPro, and I actually like the audio quality. It sounds pretty decent in certain situations, like when I'm outside and I'm holding the camera, it sounds really good, or if I'm in the house, it sounds really good, but if I'm in a spot where it's too much echo, it doesn't sound good. So I'm kind of all over the place. And with my old GoPro Hero 5, I had this little mic adapter right here, this little mic adapter. But the one thing I didn't like about this little mic adapter is that I never knew if it was actually engaged, like regarding like recording. I never knew if it was engaged. I plug a mic into this thing and I wouldn't know if the audio was being transferred or recorded on the GoPro until after. And then I used to ride on my motorcycle with this on the front of my helmet with my GoPro, and I would be doing moto vlogs and stuff, and I didn't know. So over the years I still used it, but I kind of was like a little disappointed in it because I really didn't know. So technically I could use this with this GoPro Hero 11 Black, and I've tried it and it does work. But again, I'm still skeptical about how the audio will be recorded on the GoPro using this. Now, I don't know if mine was just faulty, but it's very sporadic. You know what I'm saying? So I didn't want to continue to, deal with that frustration. So in order to spice up this audio on the GoPro Hero 11, I decided to go ahead and grab a little media mod. I just went ahead and grabbed this little media mod, and the reason I got it is because I can take advantage of the media mod because it has like a little microphone on it, or I can plug in my own external, microphone and so forth. So right now you're getting some audio right now with the just the standard GoPro, like it's just bare bones GoPro. This is that audio. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unbox this while we're sitting right here. We're gonna take a quick look around it, and then I'm gonna throw it on the GoPro, and then we're gonna do another quick little audio test with just the media mod sitting right here, just so we can test it out. And one thing, another reason why I wanted to get this media mod too is because after doing a little bit of research, I found out that you can still see the audio levels with the media mod on the actual GoPro. Now, with this little adapter, I couldn't see. I know for a fact I'm not gonna be able to see the audio levels with this thing here. So the media mod gives you the audio levels, and that's something that I really prefer to have than this. You know what I'm saying? So this would be like my backup, you know what I mean? But we're gonna unbox this thing, and I'm gonna give you like an audio test with the media mod, and I'm gonna throw on like my Rode mic and then a wireless mic while we sit here. Then I'm gonna go outside real quick and do that audio test as well, just so we can kind of see if, the media mod sounds good or the external microphone. So typically, I'm pretty sure the external microphones are gonna sound better than the media mod. I just can feel it, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this thing, and then we're gonna go ahead and take a look around this little thing. I'm gonna throw it on, and we're gonna get straight to it. All right, so I done tore up the box, man. But it is what it is, right? I don't plan on reselling it anyway, so let's go ahead and pop this out, and then we'll take a look at it. One thing I'm realizing with this GoPro, man, because I never had a front screen to see myself on a GoPro, like on my Hero 5. So I keep looking over here at the screen because I'm pretty much in shock that I can see myself on a GoPro. That's crazy. But anyway, here we go. Let's take this out. So media mod, I done ripped up the box. Let's throw that out the way. We got a little manual. We got a little warranty, little information right there. We get and this is what it looks like right here when it comes in the box or whatever the case right here. So we get another little additional little mount right there. Put that off to the side. We get another one of these right here. Put that one off to the side, and we get like a little wind muff for the media mod itself. All right, put that to the side, and then right here, make sure ain't nothing else in this box. Just making sure. We'll throw all that off to the side, and then we have the actual media mod itself right here. All right, so we got the GoPro media mod, and how this works right here is you just toss this on. I think, let's see if I can do this right. So you just slide this on. So it does have a little mic right there, has a little mic in it. Has a power button up here at the top. Has a cold shoe right here, cold shoe on this side. So we got a cold shoe up at the top, a cold shoe on the side. Got a mic right here, USB-C connector on the inside right there. And then right here on the back, you got a flap, 3 flaps that open up right here on the back, as you can see. And one of them is a USB. We got a USB-C, and then we got another mic jack. So that's how I'm going to take advantage of using my external mic jack. All right. Then right here, we got the mode button on the side, so you can still control your GoPro. And then what is this down here? Let me see. This is how you open it up, and you just slide your GoPro in, close your GoPro up. Now, mind you, you got to take your door off of the GoPro so that you can use this door to close it up. So this is what the media mod would actually look like, just like this. All right, and then I will do is throw the GoPro in here, and then yeah, we'll be good to go. All right, so this is what the media mod looks like on the camera. I'm using my iPhone to just record this quick little clip right here, and then we're gonna switch right over to the GoPro so you guys can hear what this audio sounds like. All right, so we done switched over to the GoPro. We on the media mod right now. When you put the media mod on, it kind of engages itself. And then you go into the media mod settings. You can pick front or back with the microphone, and you can even turn the media mod off and just still use the original audio in the camera. All right, but right now I got it set to the media mod. I have it using the front microphone right now. This is just the media mod, no external mic, just the media mod. So I want you guys to give me your honest opinion, what you think of this media mod audio versus what we were just listening to, which was just a bare bones GoPro. So what do you think of that audio versus this audio? All right, this is the media mod. Again, mic check 1 2. This is the media mod audio quality for the GoPro Hero 11 Black. Now I'm gonna add an external microphone to it, and then we'll test that out as well. All right, so now we are on the Rode Video Mic Go 2. This is what that audio quality sounds like. When I plugged it into the media mod, it shut the media mod off and just started using this audio. When I tapped the Rode, I saw the levels moving, so the actual media mod mic is not engaged. The Rode Video Mic Go 2 is right now. So let me know what you think of this audio quality. Mic check 1 2. Mic check 1 2. Let me know what you think of this audio quality with the Rode Video Mic Go 2 in comparison to the media mod that you already heard and just the standard across the board GoPro. All right, now we're going to switch over to a little wireless microphone, which is the Lo-Fi Fine. We're going to switch over to this one real quick, test that, and then we're going to run outside and test it one more time. All right, so now we are on the Fi-Fine M9, the wireless microphone. We got it paired with the media mod and so forth. Let me know what you guys think of this audio. I got it clipped right here to my shirt. Let me know what you guys think of this audio. Mic check 1 2. Mic check 1 2. This is a wireless microphone, the Fi-Fine M9, just kind of pairing it up with the GoPro media mod just to see what it sounds like, see if it actually enhances the GoPro's audio quality. So let me know what you think of this audio in comparison to the Rode shotgun mic, to the standard just GoPro out the box sound, and the media mod sound. Let me know what you think. All right, so I don't know how the GoPro is actually handling the breeze, but it's a really heavy little breeze. So I'm trying to hide on the side of the house because it's a heavy breeze out here right now. But this is the audio quality with just a straight up GoPro outside with the media mod turned off. I got a car riding by, you can hear it, but this is the audio quality of just a standard GoPro with a mean breeze coming through here. I'm talking about a mean breeze right now. So let me switch over to the media mod and see if it makes any difference. I had to jet back in the house, man. So now we're on the media mod real quick, because let me tell you, it's cold out here and it is not playing, and this wind is blowing. So this is the media mod right now. And this is a good test too, because we got a little bit of a breeze and stuff like that. So this is a pretty good test to have a little breeze out here with the media mod on. But this is what the media mod sounds like. Mic check 1 2. Mic check 1 2. Let me know what you think of this audio quality with the media mod. So now we're on the Rode shotgun mic, and this is what that audio quality sounds like. It's still a mean breeze going on, and I'm trying my best to hurry up as well. But this is what that audio quality sounds like with the Rode. Let me know what you think of this audio quality. Now, we already did the GoPro without the media mod. We did it with the media mod, and now this is with the Rode. So go ahead and let me know what you guys think of this audio quality, and then we're going to go ahead right now and switch to the wireless Fi-Fine M9. Okay, so now we done switched over to the Fi-Fine wireless M9 microphone with the GoPro media mod and all that stuff, man. Let me know what you guys think of this audio quality. The breeze is still going pretty strong. Hopefully it's kind of canceling that out. I didn't put the wind muff on, wasn't thinking about grabbing it, but this is what the audio quality sounds like, man. I won't know what this sounds like until I go back and listen to it in post, but I will come back real quick and you guys my final thoughts on like all of the audio. But I really need you guys' help because I'm trying to dial this in and I want to know which one I should go with. All right, guys, so I'm fresh from getting a quick haircut, man. You already know, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, had a little bit of time to listen to the media mod, and I got to be honest with you, I think that the media mod sounds decent. I am going to do some tweaks because, to be honest with you guys, I'm trying to make this GoPro setup as minimal as possible. I really don't want to add any attachments to it, but to know that I can use the Rode with it and the wireless microphone system with it, even though that sounds really good, they sound really good to me. I feel like I'm gonna still try to go with either the internal audio on the GoPro or just use the media mod because I want to keep this setup as small as possible, you know what I'm saying? So I think that's what I'm gonna try to go with. To be honest with you guys, I'm gonna do some tweaking to this on the back end. So even in this clip, I'm using the media mod right now, and I'm gonna do some tweaks to the media mod so I can see what the audio sounds like even while tweaking. So what you're listening to right now is tweaked audio. All right, that's what I'm gonna do. Also, another thing I noticed with the GoPro that I thought was pretty funny is that I actually tried my XLR microphone using my Vocaster with it, and that worked as well. So, you know, for those little quick sit down talking vlogs, I can even throw the XLR mic via the Vocaster in here and kind of do that as well. So that's gonna be another good look. But anyway, I just want to let you guys know, I think that the audio doesn't sound that great coming out of the media mod. I feel like the regular GoPro just audio might sound a little bit better than the media mod, but obviously the Rode mic, the Fine, the wireless mic, all that stuff is going to sound better than this media mod. But I'm gonna tweak it. So we're gonna try to rock out with this audio, and I'm gonna try to continue to tweak it till I get it to right to where I want it, and then that's what we're gonna go with, because I want to keep this setup very minimal. So with that, let me know what you guys think of the audio quality. Which one would you go with? Which one sound the best? Even this tweaked audio with the media mod right now, does this sound pretty good? But let me know. I'm interested to know what you guys think, so drop me a comment. Anyway, I'm gonna get up out of here. It's been your boy Jay. Peace.